तुम्हारे ट्रेन में है मुरलीधर। ट्रेन में नहीं आ रहा है। थोड़ा अंदर आइए, थोड़ा अंदर Follow me straight, at the center. One minute, hold on. Center, sir.
टाइप की साड़ीज हैं, सो इट्स लहंगा मीट्स अ साड़ी, तो आधी साड़ी आधा लहंगा है. They're very unique. It's like a lehenga marries a sari, and that's the costumes that they're going to be wearing.
In short में ये जर्नी जो अभी 2010 से चालू हुई आपके कितना इवॉल्व हुआ, कितना डिफरेंट है इस बार?
बहुत इवॉल्व हुआ है, और मेन चीज़ लाइफ में जो होती है वो इवॉल्व करना ही होती है, क्योंकि जब हम शुरू करते हैं तो हम सब छोटे से ही शुरू करते हैं.
How does it feel 1 year with the Indian princess, as the Indian princess, and the crown resting on your head? What is the feeling like? Share the entire euphoria with us.
It feels great to wear this crown. You can ask these girls all admiring this crown, but with this crown comes lot of responsibilities, which I think I have somehow reached up to their expectations, the team expectations, and I won't say that I'm Indian Princess 2014 only. It's like my family. I'm there with Indian Princess always.
You'll be parting with the crown, unfortunately, this time around, so possessive.
Well, the moment of crowning will be very, I won't lie, it will be very nostalgic for me. Mixed emotions will be there. One, it's a proud moment that Indian Princess is going to a next level altogether. And second, that I won't be wearing this crown publicly after that. So, this is the part of life, and this has to go on, and I wish all the success to my successor. I hope she takes it with pride and she makes us proud.
Personally, how has your life changed after wearing this crown?
Well, you can see yourself. It was not like this before. Since I've won this crown, entirely it's all different. At my home place also, everyone comes to my place and they get their pictures clicked with me. As I said, it has come with lots of responsibilities, so I always give priority to Indian Princess, whether it's my personal work or work related to films or something, any offers coming up to me. I always give priority to Indian Princess. So
has Bollywood come calling yet?
Not exactly, but yeah, 2 scripts were offered to me, but I didn't like them so much. So yeah.
Are you entering the film industry again?
Yeah, I've already signed Telugu. So yeah, I'll be shooting for Telugu movie as soon as the pageant gets over.
Okay, wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Story angle में